In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Word document into a PDF directly. This is the easiest method. So if you want to save this into a PDF, all you need is to come over to File. You can see File here. You can go straight to Save As, and then you can select the document that you want to save in. For example, you can double click on this to browse. Okay, so you browse where you want to save it. As when I want to save this in this desktop, I can give it a name, file name, and then I have to specify here that I want to save it in PDF. Okay, so with this name, PDF and location, I can just click on OK, and this is now saved in PDF. And you can see right now it has opened in PDF. It is going to open in PDF. So to access that, you can see it over here. You can click on open, and this is now opened in PDF. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.